Hello friends, myself Kamaljeet. I am an English mistress at Government Senior Secondary School, Co-Education, Clock Tower, Hoshiar. I am a member of English Booster Club. It's a common platform for all of the students. It's a platform that helps gaining the confidence. It is very much helpful for the students who feel shy to speak English, because when we share the videos of other students, the students, those who can't speak well, they get encouraged to speak English. They also want to express their views in this language. English is the need of the hour, and it has become the lingua franca now. Lingua franca, what I mean to say, is a common language for international communication. So this has become a must for all to understand and know. But today, I want to talk about COVID-19. COVID is coronavirus disease that has spread widely. It has taken lakhs of precious lives, and still we cannot find the exact symptoms of it. It's a mysterious disease. But still, if we are surviving, we are happy, we are healthy, these are the blessings. I trust these are the blessings of our family members, of our friends, of God. These are the blessings above all, these are the blessings of God. This is not over yet. We are seeing that we are not getting the cases as we used to get in the past, but still it persists. It's not over yet. We still need to be careful. We still need to follow the precautions. We still need to listen to the doctors and the senior family members. We still need to cover our mouth and nose whenever we are going out of the house. Sometimes we are putting our mask, but our nose is not covered. Sometimes we are putting our mask, but it is on the chin, and our mouth and nose are not covered. And it's of no use of wearing mask in this way. The second thing is we need to wash our hands repeatedly. Whenever we go out of the house, whenever we touch the objects outside the house, we need to wash our hands. We need to wash them repeatedly. And apart from this, we need to maintain distance, at least 6 feet distance from the other people. Whenever we are at a public place, we need to maintain distance. So dear friends, to stay safe, to stay healthy, if we want to enjoy a healthy life, this is a must that we should live. And to be alive, to remain alive, we need to stay safe. We need to protect ourselves from such diseases. So, once again, I must say that we need to be very much precautious. We need to follow all the instructions given by our elders and family members or doctors if we want to stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.